Today I'm going to show you how to generate uncensored, unfiltered videos on uncensored.com. So what you want to do here on the left hand side is open up this toolbar. You want to come down and you want to look for video gen, and here you want to describe the type of video that you'd like. So let's go and add in a prompt. I'm going to say make this cat dance. I'm going to upload an image for reference. I've got my image over here, and here at Generate you want to click on this. You want to choose your model. So whichever one you're going to go ahead and choose, go ahead, choose the correct model. You can also change the resolution and the duration if you have premium. And then you also have the enhanced prompt. So this will just take this prompt, your simple prompt, make this cat dance. Here you can see that it's given you like a full-on prompt. Go ahead, click on send. It will now create your video. Alright, there we go. We've got our 5-second clip of our cat dancing completely inappropriately. Now you can generate video clips with Uncensored.